Nice fireworks display in Vegas tonight. But unfortunately, it's really socked in Los Angeles. So at least Vegas is putting on a show. Well, hello 2025. Happy New Year. And that's it. Yeah, Los Angeles may have fog this time, but hopefully next year for New Year's Eve it will be clear. Yep. Vegas is turning it on like New York did it. This is your go-to station here. I had to turn the lights off for the party.
This is my city.
Yeah, well, hopefully 4th of July will be much clearer. Yeah.